Hey everyone, this is Hannah with Slant. Today I'm going to be showing you opportunities, which is the feature we talked about in our last Slant University webinar. So if you log into Slant and head to opportunities here, you'll see you're able to track your sales pipeline and track opportunities for any prospects or clients. You can toggle to the different pipelines simply by clicking the tabs here at the top. And then pipelines will be organized by the different stages in the pipeline that the prospect or client will be progressing through. So to edit a pipeline, the best way to do that is to click this cogwheel over here next to New Opportunity in the top right corner. Here you can change the pipeline name. You can reorder any stages. You can rename a stage by clicking into the box. You can also add color to the stages to better track those different pipeline stages, or toggle on the visibility. And then if you need to add any new stages, you can do that here and save changes. If you click into any of these stages here, you'll be able to track the time in each stage. So a target time you estimate that the prospect or client will spend in that stage. And then you could also set the default probability, which will weigh the total AUM in that stage based on the probability that that prospect or client will turn from an opportunity into a closed won deal. So you can set that default probability. You can always override that for individuals, but if you default 50%, that will apply to everyone down here. So once you've set those settings, then you can add a new opportunity simply by clicking New Opportunity. You'll put in the opportunity's name, the stage that they're in, the value, so assets under management of that person, if you've got a target close date, and then you can associate them with a prospect in Slant and assign a owner of the opportunity within Slant before creating the opportunity. Once it does that, it'll create this tile here, which you can then, of course, adjust the AUM. So, I'm worth $1 million, say. Again, it will default with the probability you put at the top, but maybe I have a higher likelihood of converting. You could adjust that probability. Again, target date, associate me with a contact. You can also add comments. So if you need someone else in the business to do an action, you can add another user. Maybe I need Hannah or Hayden to do something, and you can add a comment there. Then you can, of course, always drag and drop the opportunity cards as people move along through the pipeline stages, and it's a really great way to track the deals that you're working. So hopefully that helps give you a little bit more information on opportunities. Play around with it. We do hope to add some more into opportunities in the future, and maybe by filtering by different types of client pipelines, maybe insurance specific clients or 401k specific pipeline clients. But that's opportunities in Slant. Thanks.